What's going on, you? It's me, Yuko. And today, this is part 2 of how to make an emoji cat. And yes, there will be a new type of emoji cat in here. It'll be included because I don't really know. So, ignore it being called project.000. So, let's just get this over with and started with. Okay, so here it is. And now what you're going to want to do for this step is I'm going to type in a white emoji, whatever color, like place it on, and now probably like this. So this version will probably be like this. Now let's move on. I'm gonna add the eyes one by one. This part will probably be shorter than the other. Let's see. Okie dokie. Okay, one more touch. Okay. It's all settled now. Here we go. So next, you'll add the accessories. Add any type of accessories you want. Except for some. How about we use this? Or match. This is really good. A few of these could do. A few of these could do. Okay, look at that. This room. So here it is. Amazing, right? Now let's go on to version 2. Okay. So now this is done. So, before I end this video, I'm going to do something. Now, so I'm gonna start working on the bodies. I'm going to specifically work on this one first, and I'll do the rest in the final part. So let's just make this quick. So moving on to the body. So you're gonna want to place a square emoji. Any color you want. I'm gonna use orange so that he doesn't look naked. So add this flower. You can add anything you would like to the body. Usually, I just make my characters wear clothes so that they don't look naked. Because heat emoji inappropriate stuff. Say no to that. It's disgusting as heck. You should stay away from that crap. Definitely. The little flowers pointing in different directions. Also, can add anything you like. And it does matter for your character to have clothes on. At least that's what I think. And yeah, we're gonna move on to the legs. Then the last part, saying the arms and everything else. Let's say that. So let's go. I made this. This is done. Let's move on to the legs. So what you can do for the legs? So basically, squares again, but not big. So, gotta do it like this. Okie doke. I'm finally done. And last but not least, it's time for the thumbnail. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. I'll see you later. Bye. I said right